Hi guys, welcome to Cup of Teach. Today I'm going to teach you on how to solve radical equations. Let us define first radical equation. A radical equation is an equation with one unknown in one or more of the radicals. To simplify radical equation, you may square both sides of the equation. Depende kung ang given sa inyo ay square root. Pero kung ang given sa inyo ay cube root, you have to cube both sides of the equation. Let's have an example. The square root of x plus 7 is equal to 5. So, since ang given dito ay square root, so you have to square both sides para makancel natin ang square at ang radical. So, matitira na lang sa left side, x plus 7 is equal to 25 kasi 5 squared is 25. Then, transpose positive 7 to the right side, so it will become negative 7. We will have now x is equal to 25 minus 7. And then subtract the 2, so x is equal to 18. So we're going to check if the value of x is 18. Use the original equation. Square root of x plus 7 is equal to 5. We're going to substitute the value for x, which is 18. So that is equal to square root of 18 plus 7 is equal to 5. Simplify 18 and 7, so that is equal to the square root of 25. And 25 is a perfect square. So, ibig sabihin, pwede natin kuhanin ang exact answer for the square root of 25. And the answer is 5. 5 is equal to 5. Therefore, ang 18 na value ng x is correct. Number 2. The square root of 2x minus 5 minus 3 is equal to 0. First, we're going to transpose negative 3 to the right side. So, it will become positive 3. So, we will have now the square root of 2x minus 5 is equal to 3. Then, this time, we're going to square both sides. Then, we have to cancel squared and the exponent. So, sa left side, we will have now 2x minus 5, and then sa right side, that is equal to 9. Then transpose negative 5 to the right side, so it will become positive 5. So we will have now 2x is equal to 9 plus 5. And then simplify this one, 9 plus 5. So we will have now 2x is equal to 14. Since we need to solve for x, so we have to divide both sides by 2. So you can cancel 2. Therefore, sa left side, matitira ay x. And then, sa right side, 14 divided by 2, that is equal to 7. Let us check. Let us use the original equation. So that is the square root of 2. And then x, substitute the value for x, which is 7, minus 5, minus 3 is equal to 0. Then, multiply 2 and 7, that is equal to 14 minus 5, minus 3 is equal to 0. 14 minus 5, that is 9. So, square root of 9 minus 3 is equal to 0. Square root of 9, 9 is a perfect square, and the square root of 9 is 3. So, 3 minus 3, that is equal to 0. That is correct. Number 3, 2 square root of x minus 8 is equal to 4. Since meron tayo ditong coefficient na 2, so we need to divide both sides by 2 to cancel out 2 to the left side. So, matitira sa left side ay square root of x minus 8. And then, sa right side, divide natin yung 4 and 2, that is equal to 2. Since this is square root, so we need to square both sides to cancel out the radical. So, we will have now x minus 8 is equal to 4 kasi 2 squared is equal to 4. Then, we're going to transpose negative 8 to the right side. Always remember, pag nag-transpose tayo, you have to change the sign. So, kung negative siya, magiging positive 8 na siya. So, we will have now x is equal to 4 plus 8. And 4 plus 8 is equal to 12. X is equal to 12. Let's go to number 4. Square root of x plus 3 is equal to the square root of 2x minus 7. Since pareho silang nakaradical, and this is a square root, and the other one is also a square root, so we need to square both sides to cancel out the radical. So we will have now x plus 3 is equal to 2x minus 7. And then yung x, we're going to transpose beside 2x. So pag transpose natin, always remember, you have to change the sign. And then yung negative 7, transpose to the left side, change the sign. So we will have now 3 plus 7 is equal to 2x minus x. And 3 plus 7 is equal to 10. And 2x minus x is equal to x. Therefore, x is equal to 10. And for number 5, cube root of 2x plus 3 is equal to 0. So kung mapapansin nyo, yung plus 3 ay nasa labas ng radical. So we need to transpose that to the right side para ang matira sa left side ay yung radical. So yung positive 3, it will become negative 3. So that is cube root of 2x plus 3 is equal to negative 3. Then after that, since ang given sa inyo ay cube root, we're going to cube both sides. Pero kung ang given sa inyo ay square root, you have to square both sides. So pwede na natin i-cancel ang cube at ang radical. So we will have now 2x plus 3, and then sa right side, negative 3 cube is negative 27. Because negative 3 times negative 3 times negative 3 is equal to negative 27. Then, transpose positive 3 to the right side, so it will become negative 3. So we will have now 2x is equal to negative 27 minus 3. Then, pwede na nating isimplify ang negative 27 minus 3. That is equal to negative 30. So you just copy 2x. Then, to solve for x, we need to divide both sides by 2. So you can cancel 2 now to the left side. So ang matitira na lang ay x. And then divide negative 30 by 2. The answer is negative 15. Let us check if this is correct. Use the original equation, cube root of 2x plus 3 is equal to 0. Then we have to substitute the value for x, which is negative 15. So we will have now cube root of 2 times negative 15 plus 3 is equal to 0. Then simplify yung 2 and negative 15, that is negative 30. So cube root of negative 30, you just copy plus 3 is equal to 0. Then simplify natin yung nasa loob ng radical. So that is cube root of negative 27. Plus 3 is equal to 0. Ang negative 27 ay perfect cube. So, pwede pa natin itong isimplify. And the answer for this is negative 3. You just copy plus 3 is equal to 0. Then, subtract yung negative 3 at saka yung 3 kasi they have different sign. So, you have to subtract it. So, the answer is 0. Therefore, negative 15 is correct.
Thank you for watching. That's it for this video. If you learned something here, don't forget to like and subscribe to Cup of Teach. See you on the next lesson. Bye!